What about the ones over here? What the birds over here? Is that powder? Man, that bird must be hard. Nay, over here. Look, over here. Look. Throw some over here too.
Throw some over here.
Come on, boys.
He's over here looking for his friends, like.
Come on.
I know what's over here. This is the place with the bread.
They're doing both sides.
They scared of Jerry.
Come on, over here.
Look at the bird shaking his butt.
What's up? This the club.
Come on, guys. You gonna throw the whole bread.
When we're all done, this is gonna be the spot where all the. Oh, we have to put it all over. You dropped the bread thing. Yo! Don't throw it up.
Break it down, Jerry. Break it down.
I got bad bread.
You gonna throw the whole thing. Why you gonna abuse the bird like that, Jerry? He's so bad. What about the one over there? What about over here? Come on.
He's trying to look at the sunset. Let him look at the sunset first.
Ain't no sunset over here. The sun is gone. Go ahead, Jerry. Do it again, Jerry. Throw some down there, then. You having fun, Jerry? Here's your cookie. Look, eat it. I'm holding your chocolate chip. Don't throw it. No, don't eat it. Don't throw the chocolate chip. You can't feed the birds that.
They go die.
I got chocolate chip over my hands.
No, don't throw it now. Just start doing this now.
They're gonna get it. How much you want to leave? How much you want to bet when we leave? It's gonna be a whole bunch of them.
Remember last time with me and Aaliyah?
Mm-hmm.
Me and Aaliyah and Joe.
He's eating the beef.
He's the only one down here said, "Boo boo for me."
Break it down, Jerry. Break it down.
Break it down like Pete.
Yeah, eat it. Eat that. Eat that. Eat the chocolate chips. Break it down. There you go. Break it. Don't throw it at me. Break it. Break it some more.
We can place with the foods. We have the snacks. Why are you stepping on my bread?
Leave them alone. They're gonna eat it regardless, even if it's smushed or whatever.
Okay, now just break up the big.
He's doing it. There you go, Jerry. Go ahead, do it again. Gotta clean your nose. Stuff your mouth with that chocolate chip. Lord have mercy. You're a fat boy, you know that?
I got bread. I got mad bread.
Come here, Jerry. Let me clean your nose. Let me clean your nose. You got a big ass booger right there. Come here, turn. Go like that. Lift your head up. Ooh, Jesus. Blow. Blow. Blow hard. There you go. Good boy. You got all that chocolate chip on your face. We cold? You want to put your jacket on? Hey, you gonna throw bread in my head? Here, come here.
Yeah, don't make it like that.